so I've got babies. Some more Beanie Babies here. $5 for a whole bag of Beanie Babies. I've got some little toys there. Let's see here. Let's clear some space here. This one's heavy. This has got lots of doodahs in it. It's like a big brass leaf. Why would that even be in this bag? Let's see. There is kids' toys. There's a little toy plane. Wow, that thing is massively heavy. And it is $1.94. It's 1969. Wow. You know what? I'm curious. We're going to see what's in that bag. And let's see what else is here. We've got a shirt. This is from, I think, the area right below the toys. There's some Thai Beanie Babies. All right, some bowls. Let's see here. There's stuffed animals like a moose and a bear and it's a bunny rabbit. Okay. Puzzle. Some toys. Let's see. There's some. Oh, there's a Mr. Potato Head or Mrs. Potato Head. All right. Let's get over here and see what's in here. There's some cones there. Baby doll. Crayons. A pole lion toy. Okay. It's over here. There's a Shamu. There's some Legos there. Looks like it might be part of a set. $3.99, of course. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Oh, the other radio to the one that matching a few minutes ago. Some more beanie type things. Oh boy, there are all sorts of stuffed animals here. Nothing that's going to work. Well, there's a part of a travel bingo, and there's a doodle balls and all that. Some more, looks like some doll clothes. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, this is interesting. Pup noodles. I'm guessing that's like a dog toy. There is a big shoe and a bean bag and a rocket and all sorts of stuff there. That might be fun. I don't know. Curious about that pup toy thing. That's kind of cool. Could use that as a prop. And you know what? What is that going for? $1.99. We're gonna do that one. All right. So we've got some fish toys there. There's some plush animals there. There's some science radio project. All right, there's some more stuffed animals there. Okay, we've got blocks and other deals there. Fire truck, bank, some stuff there. Let's see, we got it's like some race cars. Pardon me, the pole. Coming back over here, we've got, there's a piglet, and then some doll stuff here, all sorts of doll toys, more doll toys. There's a kid's camera. Ooh, that's interesting. What is that, some sort of, this thing here looks like it's a little sciencey thing. That. There's some more stuffed animals. This is more, it's another doodle ball, a toy giraffe, a toy monkey. Looks like Simba, but it's not. A little backpack and a pail. There we go. Some Play-Doh in there. Some sort of horse and a baby doll. Let's see what we got here. It's a piggy bank type of thing. There's all sorts of little trinkety things in there. That's kind of cool, but we're not getting it. Hot Wheels toy over there. Here's some. There's more. Oh, there's that. It's a Pooh Bear puppet. It's a Pooh puppet. I'm tempted. You know what? I'm just gonna get it. Why not? We only live once. There's a pink-handled revolver. That's kind of interesting. If you're into pink-handled revolvers. There is a hand emoji and a doll and a Mickey Mouse paddle. There's, let's see, some more doll stuff there. That fell out. That's not good. Some more stuffed animals there. This one's been here a while. There's some more crayons. Coming down to the home stretch here. Like doll stuff, party supplies, little kids things here. We're gonna see them all. There we go. There's some crayons and things like that. The big tape right up there. Let's see here. There's a Hug Me toy, tin box, and here it is. The last thing. Some other little toys. So that's it. Hang tight. We're going to see what we get out of the bag.